Big breaking news coming in. Trinamool MP stopped by UP police 1.5 kilometers from victim's home in Hathras. The delegation had travelled about 200 kilometers from Delhi. The Trinamool MPs were on their way to their village in Hathras, travelling separately to express solidarity with the grieving family and convey their condolences. The MPs are Derek O'Brien, Dr. Kakoli Ghosh, Dastidar. Tanushree Pandey breaking the story first here on India Today, getting us every twist and turn and every detail. Now joins us. She's reporting from Hathras and UP. Tanushree, what is going on? First, they tried to stop the Congress party. Now they've stopped Trinamool Congress leaders as well. Sections of the media have been stopped from Hathras as well. What is going on? What is it that the UP administration really wants at this point?
That's right, Chaiti. We are 1.5 kilometers away from the village, from the victim's family, and here is Derek O'Brien and a TMC delegation. Now, all Mr. Derek O'Brien are asking for that I will not go. Let only 2 women MPs go, and you can see the police bandobast here, Chaiti. Derek sir, ek two. Derek sir, why are they not letting you go? Derek sir, why are they not letting you go? What is the police saying?
The police are saying that DM is not allowing us to go to this family too. Only our intention is to pay our condolence to the family members.
Derek sir, what do you think the administration is trying to do? What do you think they are trying to hide, sir? Derek sir, just one word, sir. What do you think they are trying to hide, sir?
You're seeing what is happening here.
Yes, sir.
You're seeing.
We were the first one to get the visuals.
Your pictures are saying the story.
Yes, sir.
2 MPs want to go.
Yes, sir.
Let my 2 MPs go. They're 1 kilometer away. They want to go and express their condolences and be with the family. 2. There are 4. Let 2 of them go.
So what do you think they're trying to hide, sir? Ma'am, what do you think the सीधा सेंटर को बोल रहे हैं, ब्लेम कर रहे हैं. You think the center is trying to hide something?
Still,
सीधा प्राइम मिनिस्टर के अगेंस्ट स्लोगनेटिंग कर रहे हैं.
yes, because Modi government, they are doing the such thing. They didn't do anything for the Dalits. Okay, and still now, Modi has not commented anything.
Has Mamta Banerjee taken cognizance of this?
Yes, she sent us.
She has sent you.
Yes.
Right. So, Chaiti, you heard there, Mr. Derek O'Brien exclusively speaking to us, and he has told us that India Today was the first child. In fact, I have Kakoli ma'am. Kakoli ma'am, why are they not letting you go? You are saying only 2. Even if Section 144 in place, only 2 or 1 MP will go, meet the family, express a condolence.
This is modern India.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Atmanirbhar India. Atmanirbhar India. Where women are burned after being raped. Tongues chopped. We are ashamed that this kind of misrule is going on where women have no safety, no security. Dalits have no safety, no security.
Yesterday, the ADG Law and Order UP has said that no sperm, no rape. The district magistrate has gone and intimidated the family. I was the only reporter inside when the body was burned. What do you have to say, ma'am? What do you think the administration is trying to hide?
The administration is trying to hide the inefficiency of the Yogi Sarkar, and they are trying to protect the criminals, and they have no respect for law.
Right.
In India.
Ma'am, what is the next? I mean, what is your plan if they do not let you go?
Our leader Mamta Banerjee has sent us to stand by the Pirit Parivar.
Okay.
But if the magistrate forcefully stops us from visiting,
yes,
we will be here and we will see what we can do.
You will sit on a dharna here. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi was also stopped. Today, you are being stopped. The TMC
we have come right up to the house. You have to know that.
Yes.
We have come here.
Yes.
In the village.
Yes.
They couldn't stop us on the road.
Yes.
But now they're stopping us here.
So Chaiti, there the TMC delegation has told us that they are just 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family. All they want to do is send either 1 or 2 MPs. Even if the Section 144 is in place, 1 MP can go and meet the family. That is what Derek O'Brien has told us. And Derek O'Brien says that not only the UP administration, but it's the central government which is trying to hide the inefficiency and criminality of their own bureaucrats. This is what Derek O'Brien, Kakoli Ghosh and other 2 leaders of TMC who are here being stopped by the UP police at the barricade 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family have told us, and something extremely important, Mr. Derek O'Brien told us that Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, has taken a note of this. She has sent this team and she has asked personally to basically send her, she has also sent her condolences, and she has asked personally to meet basically this team to go meet the family and tell them that the Chief Minister of West Bengal, the entire government of West Bengal stands with the victim's family.
Yes.
So this is what is happening here right now. The MPs, just like the Congress was stopped yesterday, the TMC delegation, including Mr. Derek O'Brien and other leaders, are now being stopped here at the
And
barricade.
you know, Tanushree, now the big question is, number one, the UP administration needs to answer and the UP government needs to answer is, what was the need of the prohibitory order in place? Why is there a section 144 in Hathras village? And secondly, even if it is in place, what the TMC says is they want to send 1 or 2 female leaders to go and express solidarity and be with the victims next of kin. What is the problem? They're still being stopped.
That's right, Chaiti. What Mr. Derek O'Brien clearly told us, that we understand there's a law and order situation. I will not go. We will only send 2 women MPs, 2 female MPs, and if not 2, just 1 MP will go, express their solidarity, tell the victim's family what Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has asked them to say, that the entire government of West Bengal stands with the victim's family. But here, the UP police and the cops on the ground are not letting anybody move an inch further. I'll tell you, Chaiti, this area is 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family. Media has been restrained since yesterday, but now, after Congress, now the TMC delegation is being stopped. The police is completely silent. One police officer told us that section 144 is in place, and we have been given orders from the top to not allow a single person to go beyond this barricade. So this is what their defense is, that section 144 is in place. There is a COVID fear. This has been labeled as a containment zone. So this is what their defense is. But even they are not even allowing 1 person. So I don't think so there is any good justification for that. Why are they not even allowing 1 female MP to go and just meet the victim's family? What is the security threat? What is the COVID fear? She's wearing a mask. She's wearing a face shield. So I think UP police has no defense to give at this point of time. But yes, a high drama is happening here. Everybody, including the media, Derek O'Brien, Kakoli Ghosh and other 2 leaders of the TMC have been stopped here at the barricade, just about 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family at Bulgari village in Hathras, UP. Chaiti, back to you.
Well, first it was the Congress party, now it is the Trinamool Congress. Tanushree Pandey getting every twist and turn, and that exclusive interview with the TMC leaders as well, first here on India Today, on the reasons why they're being stopped and their protest against what is going on in Hathras.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.